Good afternoon, country people them. Plenty glad for joining us. Now the last one this for Inside the Week for Equinox at Tori House. Strong Tori for this afternoon. We go concentrate now for Inside Douala Sep. I don't talk say we get for Tonton for check as we Douala town e clean plenty. We go walk for road for street them. We go show na say dirty e dey too for inside town. Just as we dirty for Douala, e don't enter to right for inside market. So for this afternoon, we go take una go for place where they call am say Bafia. Bafia na for center region where police people them they don't show that boy where he kill some other young boy. He thief Okada plus other 3 people them. One he don't disobey commandeer for Grand Tango. He is also to make gun. Then 2 other one them they catch them where e dey so they be one take gun for go thief for outside. All this story them plus even some of the strong story them where it be happen for inside the week. We go turn back with them like a fire where it be catch for Limbe, fire for Ezeka Market, and even this palava says 16 senator them for CPDM. They last do waiting, they last deny say they no go continue for before 2 office them they concentrate for inside Senate work. Sabi say number 21 university game e don start too for that side. So for Marua, Sabi say Marua na the small pikin university for inside country. Kamamburu people them we hear they don't cover the whole place as way other people them enter for inside Marua. Tori wey newspaper dem to the talk we go bring am big part talk for this afternoon. E talk say wetin make you no carry clean water for up dirty one way e dey go for ground. For sika say you no sabi whether the one way they go for down na for the way your own family people themselves they dey drink for them. Say make you no carry clean water for up, you dirty the one way it dey go for down. For sika say your own family say if it dey for downside way it dey drink for inside that water for down. Now we come be where it dey look with for that side. So for Kuwait they call it say waiting Charlotte Kakon na he send with big part talk right for outside country for place where they call and say Kuwait. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people them. I be don't talk say we get for enter for inside chapter for dirty. We no sabi whether work people them where they dance self they get for the carry dirty, they don't tire for carry dirty or na how. But Douala e don't turn na smelling town. Yes, Douala e don't turn na smelling town. Na for market, na for road, na for inside quarter, all sides you must to lock your nose. If you want work find for Douala here, but you go work at reach for which side. Chapter 1 for palava for dirty for inside Douala here. Now for inside quarter then say inside Aqua here. Where Aqua na business place for inside Douala. Bona Musadi, Bonanjo, even Bona Prizo. Dirty it turn up for all corner for road. Now which kind of confusion? Make we enter for inside the quarter, we start talk this palava. Dirty it dey for all corner people them. The one na just one thing of the traffic zone. Now for inside town say this just for we corner here for Equinox Story House. The one dirty for corner and company way it dey look out dirty. Front man e door dirty dey. I say front man e door dirty turn up. Smell in the meter people then for inside house. Just for we own corner here. Dirty dey for outside. See pineapple wey man e go peel and just throw and jagger. Now for that one place, fly dey full up for outside. Water say oh, water e don rot in so time no day. For sika dirty way e don enter for inside water. Douala for Cameroon. Now the economic capital that where would the show announce so. Dirty e don full up for outside so man e don tire for talk. I say man e don tire. Na sick way other people then say they get announced so for sika this plenty dirty and turning water way e don remain for inside water hole. Only smell. I say only smell wey the dirty they smell na different level. Apart from streets, country people, no be na only for inside quarter. For road say all corner dirty dey. Inside market too, that one e bad na bad. I say for inside market for Douala here, the dirty na different thing. You dey see am? The one na corner fence for market day for that side for New Bell. Dirty e dey for all lines so con the people. You dey see am no? No man e no dey even look the dirty. Na Douala that. Na market this for inside Douala here for New Bell. Dirty eternal for all side. Oh boy, peace ya peace, quiet, okay? Yeah, peace ya peace. I no get a time. We dey get time na for the dirty. When people they don't left dirty, see how dirty don't rot in. It dey I say it dey smell. But people then throw they shave head, they carry their thing, throw it for one side. Population the only pass. See market for that side for Dakar. See dirty. See market, see dirty. See how they sell cargo, they see the one they carry own dirty throw it fine. You don't say a cocky control and leave them. Who go can't carry am? No man no dey. They the only trade they leave them. They no care whether some person they can't carry am or some person know they can't carry am. They dirty join with the cargo where people they sell. Bine people them. Then too they cry. All corner for inside Douala here country people them. I say all corner for Douala. We know sabi wetin dey happen. See market. See how mami they sell. See how dirty dey. The one no finish say cocky eat the throw. Very good. Yes, throw am. After all, you also sell again can't throw am no. Whether they carry the dirty or they no carry the dirty, that one no look you. E no look you. Na so population for Douala dey suffer. Market o dirty. Quarter dirty. All side. Country people. Who side we dey go? 2035 Nkunkuma talk say wetin? Say we go for before. We no fit go for before when Cameroon is also dey so. One company e dey local dirty, one company e dey local light, one company e dey local water. Who side we dey go? Na for before or na for back? I no get answer. We go left chapter for dirty now, so we enter for inside chapter for big day for Tori people them. E be day na number 3 day for inside the moon. And for Douala here, Tori people them for all kind of Tori place. Na newspaper, na Tori box, na television, all dem dey be comot. They join for inside Douala here for say make they check inside this palava in the proper. How whether Tori people they get mob for talk or they dey lock Tori people their mob say make they no talk. Queen Elisa go talk say well press freedom day. But for Cameroon press freedom e dey. Lie to lie. Make we go for outside for see as say Tori people themselves for inside Douala here. They be enjoy that big day. They say liberté d'expression. Tori people they get right for talk some kind of talk. Tori people they get right for talk some kind of talk. Now all the kind of thing them. When Tori people they meet up for that side for university for Saint Jerome for inside Douala here. They say make they try for look. Waiting is the worry Tori people them. Whether na one way they talk for radio or na one way they talk for tele or na one way they write for newspaper, make they she don't talk all the thing them. So all Tori people they she don't concentrate. Or guys start to know matter say Tori people they get right for talk any kind talk. Peter Isoka he say you know the control any Tori man, but if you try make mistake, na grand Peter Isoka go knock you some kind stick way you no go fit for understand. So now all the kind of thing them we will try for look whether Tori peoples they get right for talk. And Tori people them when they want information, whether Ngomna they also give them the information. For secrecy na the thing that way they make and Tori man all time e go the talk say Congo side don't talk say. For Queen Elisa they will talk say alleged. For Pidgin Congo side talk say to Congo side talk say. Even as way Congo side they ever been a true thing for country. But Tori people they should don't for look all that one they so. For big day for Tori people the way pass. For number 3 day for inside the moon. Sabi say they call am a well press freedom day for Queen Elisa country talk. But for Pidgin ambassador they put and say big day for Tori people them for talk. But they get the right for talk. Now they question that. Even as well they glad that big day for that number 3 day way pass yesterday. Tori people they don't also enter for the same thing. All day they go so come back. Can she done for the same table for check whether Ngomna they give them Tori for talk correct Tori or na they say they get for find the Tori where they get up. All that one they so. Now anyway Tori people they she done for knock their hate on top. Sabi say for other country, Tori people that they ever talk say they say when you talk executive, you get a legislative, you get a the other branch from Ngomna. You understand? Tori people their own now the number 4 branch. You understand? But now, that one a big aside. For secrecy, I'm not sure if Tori people that get right for talk any kind of talk for inside country. We go take una enter for inside chapter for police. Make we enter for police people their house for Bafia side. For that side for Bafia country people them e dey na work with police people them for Bafia they don't do am fine. Bafia na for Yawende Center region. I say Tori people sorry, you know say when you talk plenty Tori people them too you go so they talk palava your own self. Police people them make we enter for central police station for that side so for Bafia. They don't show population way e pass. Yes, na central police station for that side so for Bafia corner people them. Una sabi, the one na gun them. They catch some person wey e is also make gun. Wey grant and go be don give order say make them no make gun again for inside country. You understand? Now wey they show we people them. One per 63-year-old man. The two they catch them with the gun wey they don't go buy am. They wan go thief. Then the pass say one na the see so. Na the power they talk say e also make God. When Nkunkuma Atango, he don't knock stick. Idrisu, the one he kill Kombi with gun, he thief Okada don't go police with the cash am. Big commissioner for Bafia. Now he say he do all these operation. Then he bring all the people them so for one place. Sabi say that man where they talk say they make gun. They say no, they only make the gun, but he the seller for people there they go thief. So now for Sika why that way they cash it with all the cargo the way they use and knock that gun then turn. They say now so they get for see as well they go look all the people them. They go carry all them go for court. Now par that 63-year-old man. They say he disobey Grand Atango he order. The one and he order Kombi. The one. They don't buy the gun, they want go thief. Then police people they put their hand for their skin. So now the good work that way, police people them for that side for Bafia. And for talk. Big commissioner for Bafia with the Kotu Cafe. With the Kotu Cafe for Sika say since you don't do correct work for that side for Bafia. See cargo then we repair the user make gun. If he make gun then he sell on 40,000, he sell on 50,000, he sell on 60,000. Look he said it happen na for center. It happen na for center region say the one they be don't go buy the gun so they be don't go for go operate. One time police people the year enter for inside game pick all them two. Uba Idrisu. As I don't talk, na Padimawe key Kombi. Then it's if you Okada. Now the big commissioner that. We cut you cafe commissioner. You did do correct work. Yes, you did do correct work for that side so for Bafia. Now inside the week, Trump Tori the day way it be pass. Where he surprise all we. Where he hot all we. We no be turn back for day na say one member owner. But I say we get for enter back for day. First one na for Limbe. As well people they finish glad number 1 day for inside number 5 moon. Na fire. Fire for some house for mile 4 Bonadikombo. I say fire where he born me some 10-year-old girl. Where? Some 10-year-old girl so we fire burner country people. It be na one way all man it be the cry so for that side so for Limbe. Mami cry we no dey say for cries et again for water for come for eye. Neighbor then the so cry. This pikin now class 5 pikin o. E dey for primary school, Cadley primary school for my for Bonadikombo. All man e comot the only put hand for up, e put hand for job. E the only look place. They say which kind of ballot be this? Which kind of ballot be this? Who side fire comot way e can burn pikin them also for inside house. They be dey them for inside the house. 3 they run comot. 1 e no be fit for run comot. Confusion be enter house. They be fit say don't run go for different side. Only for fire for finish laws. They meet all the pikin for inside fire. It be been a baby cry. I say baby cry for people them for my for Bonadikombo. Inside the week so we with the finisher. Now one of them were watching that where he passed for inside this week. Where we say make we turn back for day. Fire. And this fire after he finish do work for that side for my for Bonadikombo. One time he cross go now for Ezeka for Central Region. I say he cross enter now for Ezeka for Central Region. Say okay, my for Bonadikombo, au revoir, bye bye. Make a jump enter for inside Ezeka. For Ezeka na for outside enter market. I say na for inside market he enter for Ezeka. Ezeka 15 store them for inside their market A. They call them for French marché A. Marché A. If born all 15 store them. This store they be make business for inside woman shoe, woman handbag, man picking shoe, trousers, slippers, and even waiting. Even other things them store for that side of the people them. And I saw the top for now. For inside the chapter, so for inside fire, light, they say for that side, now the small thing that they come out. But the thing where it vex people them for Ezekiel, even as we deal be come out for night, he caught his sleep. Now say firefighter no dey for Ezekiel. The only firefighter wey dey, wey if of he come, he be get for commander Yawinde before he come for Ezekiel for can lost fire. How that kind of thing fit happen for modern day Cameroon? They say na the palava thief current for inside market way e make that fire happen. Na the first time wey fire e dey burn so tey plenty store them for inside Ezekiel. This kind of thing never ever happen. First side the year say one store don burn, two store don burn, one store burn, two store burn. E never ever burn so tey 15 store dem so for Ezekiel side. But as well the talk, population dey vex plenty, and governor too get for start think as well get for make firefighter brigade for that side so for Ezekiel. For Ezekiel say if some firefighter office or be there, motor for lost that fire, e no for burn plenty store them. The only firefighter place dey na for Yawinde, and for if for comot for Yawinde come for Ezekiel, that one na big trouble. Big trouble. Na mistake that when governor dey do am, and all that mistake that when governor dey do am, it is also help na say make na so we dey suffer for our side. Inside the week too, we be enter for inside senator. Yes, senate people dem say they be last wear that they be last wear that flag wey e dey show say automatic they be senator dem. But sabi say before they be wan put some people dem flag, they be dey dem 16. Pa from be imukete to be dey inside. Dem 16 they say okay, since we be the chop 2 salary before, we go decide for chop now only 1 salary. So after wey they go for by force pension for the other work wey they be work am under governor, last they say okay, we no go chop 2 salary again, we go chop na 1 salary for under senator. Now on top that one wey they give all dem the Cameroon flag wey e dey show say true they be senator. See Mbela Mukicha say he na man wey dey ever be straight, he enter, he talk say all the palava dem so he don't see am. So senate house too, e be cause plenty confusion for inside week. But last as I talk, all them 16 wey dey comot for CPDM, they talk say okay, make we leave one work, make we chop one side for money. After all, e dey like say salary wey dey pay am for senate people dem e plenty. Yes, salary plenty. So how they go do? Picking them for university, all them na for Marua the day. I say picking them for university, all them the day Marua, as well they talk now so. University for country and private university them, all them Marua. Now for waiting, number 21 university game. Even as well they enter. Sabi say among all people they enter. University for Boya, the place to be when you know they day. E dey for Marua. Even University of Banda, e dey for Marua. Institut Université de la Côte, e dey for Marua. Institut Supérieur de la Technologie et Médicale, e dey for Marua. University for Douala too, they become first for Bamenda, they don't enter Marua. Yawende 2, Yawende 1, and even University for Ngaoundere, all them they dey Marua. One time, they start checking how they get for make Marua their own condition, it be equal to their own condition. Football, volleyball, whether na woman or na man, all man is start make prepare. For say make university get where they start today, official, make it enter fine for their food. As a woman done by the day. Then for the other side, apart from the prepare, Sabi say yesterday we will be shown at the image for that side for Marua side. What would they say we image? They be also prepare Congola. Now place where opening ceremony and opening gando and closing gando. It get for pass. They be also work for them. They know we don't finish work. FENASU when a university sports their own federation. They will hear say they give them 451 million. They know we don't finish work. Or till see few picking the girl nang damba for day. Now one of the feed that. So one day they carry their mattress. Then they go keep am for some people they will sleep. And we hear say other stranger they go be inside a university game where it go happen for Marua. We get people then where they will come up for chat. We get people then too they will come up for Buhari country. Or then they will be the university picking them. They go join with our own Cameroon University for make competition. But Sabi said the university game where they pass for Marua. They say Kamamburu, the whole place it don't black now to Kamamburu. You Sabi say for Marua side day. Na iwe boko it the work fine. So better Kamamburu cover outside before na go here say they don't thief 500 university picking them. And so they thief Shibok picking them. So today they ask them we give Chibok. We never say, and we no want to say, we start ask and say, bring with university picking them. So today, university game, it don't start for Madua site. Tori don't finish. Make we enter for waiting when newspaper then talk. The guidance post where it dey for our side is a waiting. Another honorable Wiba, it don't enter for inside Senate or inside the parliament group for CPDM. According to where the guidance post tell we, they say one of the member them for inside CPDM where it dey so SSF. It don't talk say if Senate people they no talk, team where they get for talk for Palava nowhere as always, he must to force him the talk. So the talk say we by remix. It don't enter for inside CPDM. So for inside the guidance post, you go read Tori where it talks everything. After when 16 senior people them, they say they no go the chop 2 salary, 3 salary or 4 salary. The guidance post, it talks say 32 people they dey from Gomna where they get plenty share them. It means say they chop plenty salary. You dey see face, you know, all that people then so the guidance post put their photo on top their paper. Or then they also get plenty other officers. Now it means say they chop more than 2 salary. Inside the guidance post too, you go read Tori where it concern Gomna. Gomna don't talk say wetin, he go try for check as well he go make development for inside country. He go for before. IMF Tori says he dey for inside chapter. Other Tori the day where the guidance post he come out on this afternoon. Make we enter now so for inside the post weekender where he dey for our side. The post weekender where dey for our side, he tell we say wetin. Vote for 2018 for get new president. Osi Joshua don't talk say make una shine una eye. Make una no remain work boy or work girl under some one person for 7 years. We know nothing, know the change. Now talk that way Osi Joshua talk according to the guidance post. As way they be showing for population from Buda. For that side so for West region. So for inside the post weekender, you go read Tori where they talk say wetin. Kamamburu, they no fear at all. They throw away tear gas for man for God. For Sika say, if you want start his own political party. Prophet Frank for kinship. If he says he go be na one person way, he go turn up for vote for 2018 for drag rope. Prophet Frank his own party with the yes na MPCC. And he don't talk say wetin, he go be Moses for Cameroon people them. Inside the post weekender too, you go read to other Tori wey concern Senate people them. They say Oga Mokete when na paramount chief for Bafo and 15 other people them. They don't talk say bye for 1 salary. They want chop now 1 salary for inside Senate. Other Tori the day for Palaba Norwest Airways as well they tell him 50,000 village people then say they don't enter for inside trap for Kamamburu peoples and Ambazonia peoples where they also continue for fight all the time. Other Tori the day where the post weekend a carry today. Nouvelle Expression too a day for our side, he get his own Tori for Terry. Nouvelle Expression a Terry say wetin. Palava people the way they make magu with Ngomna money. Hey, 6 for some work people them inside finance ministry. They say they don't pick them. Now how they pick them? The Nouvelle Expression, he get that answer for Giwi. So for inside Nouvelle Expression, you go read Tori. How way SDF he make thing them worry for CPDM. Now for inside Senate House. Tori the day for inside La Nouvelle Expression where you say if you enter for inside read them like one way it bring worry. Some chief where they don't put it for chair where it bring plenty trouble for inside village. Now for that side so for West region. Last story we will look for inside this afternoon na emergence. Emergence where they for our side he get his own chapter for Terry. Inside emergence, the Terry say wetin. Palava people the way they should on top plenty chair them for inside country. They say Cameroon they play double kind ndamba. Yes, Cameroon they play with the people them like say they be small pikin. So for emergence, the Terry say wetin. 20 teacher them. It means say principal them and even waiting even small principal them. They don't give them small suspend for inside ministry for college book. Now for Sika waiting, they say they make pacha. So for inside emergence, you feel it Tori where it concern Palaba Ndamba. National Football League, where they call and say League Football Professionnel na Cameroon Football League now, and Tingni Company. e dey like say some small laugh e don comot again for inside that chapter. All the tori dem so plus palava firefighter people dem, mean say army rescue, all dem dey for emergence wey e dey for outside this morning time. So na the way that way we own come be dem wey dey work for newspaper dey take their eyes see Cameroon as wey e dey. Make we give una this small announce for some pikin wey e don lost this afternoon. This pikin name dey call him Njoya Constant Trésor. Njoya Constant Trésor na the pikin that. Dem say this pikin e get 13 years. Pikin e dey go college for the Edo. He comot for house since on number 26 day for number 4 moon 11 o'clock. Since that time he never turn back. Time wey pikin be dey comot, e be wear trousers for jean, you understand, with a t-shirt and some red slippers. This pikin e dey talk na only Emmanuel Macron e country talk. So a papa wey dey call it say Kwame Allen, e dey beg any person wey e don see this pikin, so even by mistake see the pikin, tingly number 678 not 8 654 675 909 909 604 679 3 541, or you bring the pikin for Equinox Story House if you see am. For Emmanuel Macron country talk, e tell you say wetin. Monsieur Kwame Allen annonce la disparition de son fils, le nommé Njoya Constant Trésor, âgé de 13 ans. Il est étudiant du lycée de Deido et depuis le jeudi 26 avril 2018, il était porté disparu vers 11 heures. Quand il avait sorti de la maison, il était vêtu d'une culotte jean et d'une t-shirt avec une babouche gomme rouge. Il s'exprime bien en français. Monsieur Kwame Allen prie toute personne qui hébergerait ou aurait vu son fils de bien vouloir le contacter au numéro suivant 678 008 654 675 909 604 679 0351 ou la conduit à la radio Equinox. So, country people them, na the small announcer will get them. If you don't see that pikin, even as well you spy the pikin small. If you don't get the number, they will call them. Bring it for Equinox Story House. Papa, he say BB dash a day. Sabi say PG new debate. It happen for all Saturday them for 12:30. Sote for 1:30. We want to say big thank you for all we people the way they don't put hands. Say meeting them pass for this side. Sabi say if you call my name for any side. For Bonaberry, Chief Robert Mukube, he go answer present. Steve Ebule and even Ash Tese for this side so for town, they go answer you. For that side for Kupe Maningo Balum, Shakino Mulum, he go answer you present. From Konsamba, Sirin Jemba. For that side for Kumbam, Ogalai, he go answer present. For Boya, Derek Jato, for Limbem, David Simaimu, and just for Sabise for Inside House here. Big thank you for Nadine and even Matilda, we all they don't join hand for submitting the work fine, and even various way it did for that side. I no go forget Cedric Tuna when I SSF he make camera it turn up so for my face. So PG News debate 12:30 1:30 for Saturday. On a hold am tight.